To show landline phone ringing notification content on lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Scroll down the screen. Under appliances and other section, tap landline phone ringing. While the alert for landline phone ringing notification is set to alert, tap lock screen and then select show content. By choosing this option, when sound notification feature is on and it detects landline phone ringing, your phone will show a notification on your lock screen to tell you that the sound notification has detected a landline phone ringing near you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.